You guys can probably see the lace still in my hair, but this is the hair that I'm gonna review and do. You guys gonna watch me do it. This is Sensational Janelle, what lace? I'm pretty sure collection. Okay guys, so I have decided that I want a side part. Oops, I don't know y'all. I might just do this side. I'm gonna stick with this side. So I'm gonna go with the side part. So I'm gonna tweeze this better. And I'm gonna hot comb, do some baby hairs, just light though. And Janelle will be ready. Look at the lace. That's how you find out if it's hot.